Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. This video, I want to talk about the real reason that Shiba Inu is going down. Actually, there's a few of them, but we're going to talk about this. This particular video idea came from the fact that you guys know I get a lot of comments in live streams as well as comments on videos, and I see a prevailing theme. Austin, Shiba Swap came up and the price went down. Austin, why aren't we rising dramatically now? Why isn't it going up right now? Why aren't we on the moon yet? And I am not diminishing those comments by any stretch of the situation here. Actually, I get it. I do understand, which is why I wanted to make a video to talk about this and to specifically have a conversation with you and to give you my input on why I think that the price of SHIB has gone down, even though we've had one of the bigger catalysts, Shiba Swap, come into play in the last week. So that's what we're going to talk about. So if that's something that's of interest to you, please stick around, and I would love to have that conversation with you. Here we go. Before we get to that, I want to talk to you guys real quickly about my private Patreon group. Over here, one of the biggest things that I'm doing is that I have two levels. I have a Discord level and I have an Inner Circle level. At the Inner Circle level, these are individuals who get access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, but they also get early access. If I'm looking at a particular crypto, I let them know about it before I let people on YouTube. In fact, there's cryptos that I let my Patreon members know about that I never talk about on YouTube as well. If that's something that's of interest to you and you want to check it out, come on over. You can check it out. You can join for 1 month if you want, and if you don't like it, you can cancel. Okay? So just FYI on that. I've been doing this for a while, and we've got a really cool group going over there. We've got a very cool portfolio over there, and we've got a Discord that is growing dramatically, and it's really cool. In the Discord, we've got a lot of support for everybody. We've even got other members in the Discord who are doing a lot of crypto investing as well, and so they're dropping tips in the Discord as well, in particular cryptos they like and things like that. So it's a really cool community. So if you're kind of tired of doing this by yourself and doing it alone and you want to go check that out, please consider that. Would love to have you over there, and you get more access to me, which is really, really cool. Okay, so with all that said, why is Shiba Inu dropping? Let's look at the price real quickly. Okay, so the price right now is 7821, right? And if you look at the trading view chart, you can see that right here, this was swap, okay? Then we traded sideways, and then we had this happen, traded sideways, and now we're trending down a little bit. So why is Shiba Inu dropping? Okay, I want to state up front that this is not a SHIB problem. This is not something inherently wrong with Shiba Inu. This is not people going, oh my God, this is a really, really bad, coin to be in and I'm getting out. Now, I see in comments all the time that there's a lot of people who don't like Shiba. That's fine. I get it. That's the cool part about the world we live in, is that everybody's entitled to their opinion. And that's cool. I get that, but this video is for you guys who are very interested, who own SHIB like me, and who want to always kind of know what the heck's going on, Austin. Why is this dropping? And so, again, I want to say up front, this is not a SHIB problem, okay? This is an overall market issue. This is the overall market is flat. The overall market is not good right now. Period. Okay. If you look at the number of short selling positions right now against Bitcoin, wow, it's risen. Okay, it was 8,000 and change yesterday. I didn't look at this before I did this video. I didn't pre-rehearse anything here. Okay, so that reaction you saw, that was real. Okay, it's gone up to 12,000 plus. And again, Bitcoin's holding steady. It is. Okay. And so, but look at so what I want you to focus on is right here. See the red line, okay? See the red line. And see as I move on the red line, see how the white line moves, okay? See the dot, the dot on the white line. You can see we were running at about 2,000 and 2,400 short selling positions. Short selling positions are people that are betting against Bitcoin going up. Said a different way, very simple explanation. They make money when Bitcoin goes down. Okay, for those of you hardcore guys, I realize that was a very simple explanation. If you want a better definition, just go here on YouTube and look up definition of short selling, and you'll find some really good videos on that. Okay, so with all that said, so we were running along at the red line is short selling positions. We were running along at 2,000, 27, 2,500, and then on July 7th, we spiked to 8,000 short selling positions. And you see on the white line, you can see to the right of the box, see how the white line, as the price went down, the short selling positions were going up to 8,000. See how the price dropped from 34,000 to 32,000. Okay, then it leveled off, and the price of Bitcoin started to go back up. But now we've got another spike up. We went from 8,000 and change short selling positions to 12,000 and change. This is pressure, short selling pressure on Bitcoin that is impacting the overall market. If Bitcoin has pressure on it, and Ethereum has pressure on it. Now look, the short selling positions outweigh the long sellings, which cracks me up on this. But you can look at this. Go to data missions. It's free, 90 days, okay? And look at the short selling versus long selling positions on Bitcoin and things like that. Like if you look at Cardano, there's 5 million plus long positions and 920,000 short positions. You can see how they spiked up. They spiked up to back in June, and then look at the price. But look at the price on Cardano; it got pushed down a little bit as it kind of continued on. And now the short selling positions just fell off instantly, pretty much at the end of the month. That's when the contracts expired. Okay, and then dropped down here. Okay, all right. So this is a market correction scenario. This is a market impact scenario, an overall cryptocurrency market, impact. This is not a Shiba Inu problem. It's not, guys, okay? If the roller coaster is getting a little too rough for you, then, you have to decide whether or not you're going to stay. Fair enough, okay? But I wanted to make this video because I wanted to deal with this head on. Now I want to talk about a few things. Austin, Shiba Swap came out and Shiba Inu did not go up. I know it did not. We got a little pop. I apologize. We got a little pop up, and then we kind of leveled off and moved back down. You have to understand here, guys. The Shiba Swap did not bring new investor money into Shiba Inu. Period. It did not. Okay. So for those of you guys out there going, why didn't Shiba Swap make the price go up? Why didn't we burn 2 zeros or any variation on that? Again, I'm not slamming you or diminishing that where you're coming from with that. Okay. My point to you is in that scenario, in that situation, we didn't bring new retail money in. Shiba Swap was simply people moving their shares. I always do that. It's not I'm a 30-year stock guy, moving their coins over to Shiba Swap to move it to that platform. Okay, the big deal about Shiba Swap, it showed that we've officially arrived. It showed credibility, sustainability, viability, all of those things, and it proved to everyone that it's real. Okay, that's what it was. The only way that SHIB's going to move up in the short term is two things. Number one, pressure off of the overall crypto market. The overall crypto market has to start turning in a positive direction. Should start happening towards the end of July, give or take, last week or two of July. Okay. Second thing, we've got to have those catalysts come into play. Coinbase, getting Coinbase up and running. Coinbase has 56 million users on Coinbase.com. We've got to get access to those users, to that pent-up demand and that pent-up, all that money, who are people who only have a Coinbase account and they don't have a Crypto.com account and a Binance, etc., who are waiting for Shiba Inu to buy it, period. Okay? When we get access to that, that's new retail money that will come into SHIB. It will raise the price. Second thing, Robinhood. Third thing, Webull. Fourth thing, eToro. eToro may happen before Robinhood and a couple of the others. Also, remember, these exchanges want to bring on high volume tokens like Shiba as long as they pass the viability and the credibility test, which Shiba Swap should have been the big, huge check in the box. Okay, they want to bring on those because guess what? They make money when people buy and sell these cryptos. Transaction fees. Okay. So guys, again, I'm going to wrap it up there. Okay. I wanted, again, to have a conversation with you. Why is Shiba Inu dropping? That's it. Okay. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I appreciate your time. Thank you for your support of me and support of my channel and support of these videos. I truly appreciate you guys giving me a voice in this crazy, crazy crypto market here on YouTube. It's fun, and I really enjoy being in this proverbial boat with you. See ya. Bye.